So in this video, I am going to clean out my refrigerator. My kids, they don't know how to clean up, right? I mean, whatever. But they're gone for the weekend, and I think it's so much better for me to clean up when no one's here. I have no distractions. I am just like on the go versus when they're here, trying to tell them what to do, and little ones running all over the place. It takes me all day. This is gonna take me 30 minutes, no less. So I'm going to clean out my refrigerator. I'm going to I don't know if I want to get containers to put in here. It's a mess because I let the kids, yeah. But I'm not sure if I want to get containers to put in here to organize things better, or just leave it as it is, because we do have to put other things in here, like our leftovers and our lunches for school and work for the following day. But I want to deep clean this refrigerator because I do have to do another grocery haul. We have to get some meat. We're off spring break now, so next week we're going back to school, so we're gonna need our lunches, our snacks, and things like that, and breakfast stuff on the go. So before I do that, instead of waiting for them to come back home tomorrow to clean this, I'm just gonna clean it myself. But they better keep this up because I just don't understand. But let me get this done.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that you could believe all the little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me.
Okay, I took everything out. The drawers, the old food in here, fruits and stuff that, I don't know. That's why I think I have to go grocery shopping every week, because if I buy certain things bulk, it's gonna just sit there. But if I buy a little bit, at least it's gonna be gone and we have to go back to the store. So I think that's what I'm gonna start doing. Just going to Sam's for my major things that's not gonna expire or waste, and for the smaller things, Walmart, Aldi's, or Publix or anything like that. So this is all the stuff that's in there. I have to go through this and throw it away. So let me clean this out first before I head to the freezer.
Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no.
So I cleaned out the refrigerator. I just basically just used soap, Dawn soap, bleach, and water. I cleaned it out. I cleaned out the drawers. So I'm gonna put them back in, and then I'm gonna store everything back. Start throwing away old food, and stack up. Start throwing away old food, and just clear all this out. Now that I'm done with the refrigerator, it's time to get this freezer done. Oh. So, let me eat this now. This will be my lunch. I forgot about that pizza. I have my pizza with the pizza rolls. I have some corn, great. We never use these mixed fruit. They're frozen. But I'm gonna see if they want to juice it tomorrow when they come home instead of throwing it away because I don't have money in the way. Oh, we got 3 bags. Pancakes. Oh, and a Ziploc bag. If I tell them to clean the freezer out, they'll just move things around. They won't even do all this. Okay. Frozen water. Why she left this in here like this? And ice. I don't know. I think I have to change my filter. I thought the ice maker not working. Waffles, trash. I don't know what this is. When my aunt comes to visit, she usually goes grocery shopping, get her own food because she don't eat what we eat, and then she leaves it, and I don't know what this is. So they'll use these blueberries. So I want to see. Kids need water bottles. I think that was enough for like weeks. I remember seeing that for a while. What is this? Bread sticks. Good. Oh, he left the smoke bacon in here. Oh, what a waste. Didn't she leave? Oh, I don't eat that. What's this in here? More tortilla roll pizza. They say they eat it and then I clean out. I still see them. I'm gonna ask her if she still want this stuff because that's what she do for her smoothies. Okay. Occupying my freezer with not the good stuff. She don't leave the good stuff. What is this? See, I don't buy this. Chicken maple bread. It's open. Frozen. I don't know what that is. Trash. Is this good? Little waste. I know it's old. Clean this out now.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. This text, I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? We was raised a little different. Used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your ribcage.
So I clean inside the refrigerator and the freezer. Throw away stuff, organize it a little better. And of course, now I have to do behind the refrigerator and on top of the refrigerator, because that'll make no sense, and wipe it down. And outside also. On the kitchen, I'm gonna leave for them. I'm just gonna wash my dishes, and they're gonna get this kitchen done when they come home tomorrow.
Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note, or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name.
So I'm done for that. While I wait for my pizza to warm up, I'm gonna use this stainless steel polish to wipe down outside of the refrigerator. Sweep them up.
When the ID's up, if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land, and we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. This text, I know it's a toss-up.
This is so much better. So much better. And this is a Samsung refrigerator. I bought this like 3 years ago from Lowe's. And you got video here. Let me see how I move it up. Oh, that's me. And you do pictures. But I love it.